All right, a bit of food today. We're celebrating the foods of Poland.
It is National Pierogi Day, and here to share some pierogies with us and to teach us another very nice Polish recipe is Jeff Thompson.
Also joining us is Nick. Is it Julian?
Julian.
And it used to be Giuliano.
Giuliano,
You're an Italian
correct.
man.
Yes.
I love the
There's
connection.
a little bit of Polish.
Nick is
not
the
a
general
whole lot.
manager of the Polish National Home in Hartford. Jeff is the chef there. Hey guys, how are you? Nice to see you both.
Very good.
Good morning.
It's a pleasure.
And thank you for our viewers. They might have remembered our opening where we were doing the Dirty Dancing scene, and that was at the Polish National Home. So thank you for your help with that crazy scene.
You're welcome.
I love cabbage rolls.
Me too.
These
Absolutely
are so good.
love them.
But they seem like they're really complicated to make. Are they not complicated?
They're not complicated, they're just a little labor intensive. So if you got a family and you can make a big batch of filling and lay out the cabbage rolls, you know, a little army, you'll get it done in no time.
Now that cabbage looks cooked. Is it steamed or?
Well, what we do is we take the whole heads of cabbage,
Okay.
boil them,
Okay.
and the leaves just fall off.
You boil them.
And then we take this little bit of stem off, so it's because that's real tough.
Like you
But,
literally put the whole head
in the water. The whole head right in the water.
And then cut it.
No, we core it out, core out the middle.
Can you
and,
core a cabbage?
You can core a cabbage.
Can you core an apple?
I can core an apple.
Okay, very good.
Absolutely.
Anyway, sorry. Go ahead.
Yeah, but
Such
so-
an old Jackie Gleason.
Oh, sorry, that's before my
don't worry
time.
about it.
And does this happen pretty quickly where it gets to this consistency?
It does, yeah.
Like a
We just
minute
let
or
it-
so,
A minute
not
or
for-
so, they fall right off, and
Okay.
then we let them cool just so you can touch them.
Okay.
And then we make our mix, which I have semi-prepared.
Okay. I'll
So
hand you
this
that.
particular batch is it's beef, pork, there's rice. The recipe, hopefully it pops up on the screen sometime. It's pretty accurate. It's what we do. It's just sort of shrunk down there. It is for the home cook. And it's just mostly pork, beef, there's rice cooked in a little beef stock, and then eggs, which is sort of the binder, and it kind of makes them a little tender. And then we have just a variety of spices. And this can go any way you want, but this is what we do. So it's salt, you do pepper, we do garlic powder, onion powder, and then this is what really gives it that Eastern European thing. This is vegeta, or vegeta. People pronounce it
vegeta?
different. It's like a spice mix.
Do they sell it like that, or
You sell it just like this. You could get it in Eastern European stores. You go to New Britain, where there's a ton of Polish grocery stores, a couple in Hartford, and it's a spice mix. There's parsnip, dried parsnips, there's dried carrots, there's salt, everything you need in
Never
there.
heard of it before.
Vegeta.
I
okay.
did a little research before here and before coming on here, and I think it was invented by I want to say a Croatian scientist in the 50s or something like that. So
We'll dump that in
it's
there.
kind of a an all-purpose Eastern European spice.
So you mix that with your hand.
I mix it with my hands, which is why I have gloves on.
Okay.
You could use a mixer if you're squeamish, but
And you want to
you
get it all in there.
I want to get it all
Nick,
in there.
as the working at the Polish Home, this is such a classic place. It's such a throwback, and it's wonderful that so many different Polish people gathering together.
It sure is. I'm a short timer there. I've only been there since March 1st as the new general manager, and I've already taken the place under my wing a little bit and really become attached to some of the folks that are there, and it's really a great thing.
And they welcomed you despite the fact that you're Italian.
They have.
But you know what?
Yep.
People might not realize you don't have to be Polish. You don't have to belong. You can just show up and you can have a meal there, and
Absolutely.
it's wonderful.
Oh, that's it? I thought you had to be a member.
I did
No,
too.
you
I
do
don't
not.
know. I thought it was
Nope.
like you had to be.
We are
signed
open
up.
to the public, and we have event and banquet facilities as well, so
and
people
you
can
have
find.
beautiful stage, that huge room.
Yeah.
Yes.
I mean, it was just
Yep,
really-
beautiful theater, designed by Ludorf, who did the Bushnell.
Wow.
Right up the
Seriously?
road. Yep.
Oh, that's awesome.
So we want to make sure you have enough time to show us how to do this. You're going to put up some mixture in these now that we got that mixed.
And
And this is a very healthy meal too. You're getting your protein and your vegetables all in one thing.
Absolutely.
And I love the fact that it goes in the cabbage roll.
Okay, so you use an ice cream scooper.
I
Is
use
that
an ice cream scooper. You could eyeball it if you want to.
just
with your
one scoop
hands.
per leaf?
Consistency is important, so I use these. Yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
And then,
I bet you I would put too much in and then it would ooze everywhere, so you can't do that. All right.
so we'll start from the bottom.
You show me one,
show
and then
you
I'll
one.
try and
so
copy.
you start from the bottom,
Okay.
and then just roll the sides in.
Oh, okay, like a burrito.
Yep, just like a burrito.
Mm-hmm.
And then what we do is, with the cabbage is, you have these tough outer leaves. And we save these because they make great insulation.
Oh, isn't that great? And then you put them.
You're gonna line them all up, and you cover them up with that, and they're good to go.
Oh, that's so
And
cute. I
then
like how
we
it looks in
have-
there.
A fresh batch we have done in the oven here.
Is there water in the pan at all, or no?
Yes, we will put a little bit of water in just to start the steaming. Cabbage leaves are full of water.
Okay.
And then you put a little in, and then you cook them for how long?
It's about an hour.
Oh, about an hour.
Yeah.
Okay. At
A
what
lot of
temperature?
hands off.
About 400 degrees,
400
350,
degrees,
depending on what kind of
perfect.
oven you have. And then we'll just,
We have about beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
Should you grab us a fork?
Sure.
and we have our sauce, which
Oh, that's what you need the red
we
sauce
make
to
as
look
well.
at.
We
Is
need
that
the
just
red
tomato
sauce. It's a tomato sauce. There's a bunch of onions. Again, I have the, a lot of people use
It looks like a burrito, but a healthy.
a healthy burrito. Yeah.
All right. Well,
All right.
thank you, guys.
It looks delicious.
And then we finish with a little bit of fresh dill
Oh, okay.
because.
Is this
we
on the
love
menu
fresh
at
dill.
the Polish Club if we want to come?
Always. Always
Okay,
on the menu.
every day we can get
We
a
make
cabbage
them
roll.
400 of, every once in a while, every week or so.
That is so good. Thank you so
Very-
much, both of you.
Thank you.
Let's go. We're going for
good.
lunch someday.
We'll see
All
you
right. For a great lunch or dinner, head to the Polish National Home in Hartford. It's located at 60 Charter Oak Avenue. The website polishhomect.org.